Let's smell.
It smells like normal chips.
Smells like spices. This one smells like normal chips, yung original flavor. Ito na, parang may Indian spices talaga. So, okay, let's try.
Okay, wait, cheers.
Cheers!
It kind of tastes like tomato chips.
Tastes like onion. Take one. This one tastes like boring naman yung flavor. Spicy actually, sa totoo yung aftertaste niya. Tapos, yung flavor, how does it taste?
It tastes spicy.
It's spicy, tapos yung flavor niya, parang may, daming spices talaga. Parang may onion, garlic, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let me try the other one.
It just tastes